We are here at Eckert's in Belleville, Illinois. We're here to pick strawberries. It's strawberry season. Pretty busy for a Thursday afternoon. Morning. It's like 10 o'clock.
Morning. How do you pick a strawberry?
I don't know.
Just kind of pinch it off?
Well, you want to leave the cap on it, right? I think just pinch it.
Pinch it.
There's some pretty good strawberries. Oh, I did a bad job. Gosh darn it. Maybe I should just watch you. Because you need two hands.
Which one is that?
Alright, I'll use my... I see that.
That's kind of a nice strawberry though. Look at it.
Look at it. There's a lot of blooms. There's a lot of blooms.
These are beautiful. I'd like to have some of these big ones.
No. Oh, there's
Is
a
that
nice...
a potato bug?
That's a... I don't know what kind of bug that is. He can have it. I don't want to know.
It's a potato bug on a strawberry. Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying to pinch it so I don't pull the whole plant. Are you doing it one? There we go. I can do it one-handed.
Pinching the
Pinching.
stem.
Yes. There's a lot of strawberries. This is much better than that patch we went to a couple years ago.
Yeah. They were almost out of them though. Remember?
That's true. We did go kind of at the end of the season.
We didn't know it was the season though. We thought we were too early.
Yep. I do like that little box we get to fill.
There's a couple of big ones right there. You see them right there?
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's a good one. There's some big ones here, but they're not ready yet. Might get some green ones that we can pick.
I don't know that people pickle green strawberries, honey. Don't think that. Oh, that's so deformed. Look at that one. Very deformed. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yes.
There's a big one right behind you.
Oh, that one looks nice. Look at that. So, see, all these are still going to be strawberries. So we're kind of like in the beginning of the season. They are definitely going to have a lot of strawberries. How do they taste? Pretty red. That's what they taste like. You're funny, honey. They're definitely still, look at all those green ones. Definitely still growing. It's like May, what is today? It's May 13th. May 13th, so it's definitely early in the strawberry season. Are you trying to run away from me over there, Robert? I better start picking to catch up with him. Something tells me he probably has a whole bunch, and I have not that much. There are a lot of funny looking ones. He's like leaving me over there. Oh. Look at that huge one. I like the ones that are like shadowed. You don't see them till you. I thought I saw one right here. They're definitely still growing. Nope. There's one over there. What'd you say, honey? You're trying to like get away from me. It's like closer I get to him, the closer he runs away. Oops. So pretty. Look at that. Oh, it still has. That's two of them put together. Look at that. I almost keep dropping my strawberries. I'm picky. I am so picky when it comes to picking strawberries. Oh, look how big that one is. Jeez Louise.